Molecular devices. Multi-mode detection systems enable a wide range of applications for research, assay development, and screening within a single reader. DNA and protein quantitation, as well as enzyme assays, can be performed using your choice of detection modes. Fast kinetic calcium flux assays can be performed using the FlexStation3 system's integrated pipetter for detection of rapidly occurring cellular events. Entire populations of cells are assayed at once, so you can explore more assay conditions in a single microplate. Integrated fluidics give you the freedom to explore agonist and antagonist assay formats. The FlexStation3 system is controlled through softmax Pro software. With our convenient pre-configured assay protocols, it only takes a few mouse clicks to select the appropriate settings for your assay, such as plate format and the optimal fluid transfer parameters for your application. To improve assay quality and increase throughput, the FlexStation3 system offers automated pipetting using a pipetter head with 8 or 16 channels. The pipetter head is user interchangeable, so you can switch between 8-channel and 16-channel pipetting as your throughput needs change. To run an assay with fluidics, simply load tips, a compound plate, and your assay plate, then click Read in the softmax Pro software. The FlexStation3 system is based on the SpectraMax M5E multi-mode reader and uses monochromator-based smart optics to select the desired wavelengths for your assay. Using the Flex Read feature, the assay plate is read from the bottom to obtain the baseline signal while the pipetter head loads tips from the tip drawer, aspirates compounds, and then transfers the compounds to a column of the assay plate. As soon as the read begins, you can view its progress in the softmax Pro software. You can monitor your assay's response profile in real time before, during, and after compound transfer to the plate. With Flex Read, throughput is increased compared to single injector systems because an entire column of wells is pipetted, read, and analyzed together. The FlexStation3 reader offers a range of sensitivity settings. In cases of high fluorophore concentration, the high PMT setting can lead to saturation. This occurs when the gain of the PMT is too high, leading to overamplification of the original signal. The remedy is simple. Change the PMT sensitivity setting in the software from high to medium. This adjusts the PMT gain to an intermediate level so that you get the best data possible. In softmax Pro software, it is easy to select the right kinetic timing for your assay. Simply enter the appropriate parameters, then click Read. Adjusting the kinetic intervals and timing for your assay gives you optimal results, which can be viewed in real time as the plate is read. With Flex Read, an entire column's worth of data is generated at a time. Data is then analyzed using a softmax Pro software protocol. You can also set up longer kinetic reads with an initial fluid transfer step. Here we have selected a total runtime of 3 hours, with the plate being read every 5 minutes. Automated pipetting ensures consistent addition times and minimizes pipetting errors. Here the instrument is pipetting reagents into a 384 well plate using the 16-channel pipetter head. The FlexStation pipetter has now finished pipetting reagents into the plate and is ready to take the first reading. After the entire plate is read, the instrument waits until the end of the first 5-minute kinetic interval is reached. At 5 minutes, the second kinetic read is initiated. You can follow the progress of your assay in real time by viewing well graphs in the softmax Pro software. Here we see a graph of the initial data points collected during the first read. At 10 minutes, we have reached the end of our next kinetic interval and are beginning the next read. Additional data points are now displayed in the well graph. The kinetic assay featured here uses fluorescence and is read from the bottom, but on the FlexStation system, kinetic reads can be performed using any detection mode. Plates can be read from the top or bottom, depending on your application. After 3 hours, our kinetic read is complete. We can now analyze the results with softmax Pro software. The FlexStation3 multi-mode microplate reader with integrated pipetting enables all of your kinetic and fast kinetic applications in the detection modes you need. For more information, please contact your molecular devices representative.